is the finished products of cabbage nuggets or tortang cabbage repolyo. 5 pieces, kaya lang kinain na nilangga yung isa. Ayan, masarap. Tinikman ko na. I boiled 1 medium size of cabbage and then I squeeze it. So next I have to put this 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And then I have to mix also this garbanzos flour or chickpeas flour. And 1 teaspoon of salt. If you have black pepper powder, you can put also, but no need for me to put this black pepper. Then I saute garlic and onion. So I have to mix this one. And then we have to put also 1 egg. Ito yung kalahati ng niluto kong tortang repolyo o kaya cabbage nuggets. Hindi ko na videohan nung binoil ko at saka ini-squeeze. Basta binoil ko lang ng half cook para pag prinito ay madali na lang maluto. Ito. Kunti na lang yung tinira ko. Medium size ito na cabbage. I saute slices of onions. And then I have to put also garlics. One or 2 to 3 eggs you put, but no problem, I put only 1. But I think this is not enough, 1 egg. So better I will add 1 more. So I add 1 more egg. So ready to fry na ito. Painit na tayo ng mantika. Meron pa mga 2 pa siguro ito.